Did you know there's a wild dog that doesn't bark? It whistles? Meet the Dhole, also known as the Asiatic wild dog. With fiery red fur and a black-tipped tail, this elusive predator is found in the forest of Asia. Dholes live in tight family packs and get this, they share food, care for each other's young, and use whistle-like calls to coordinate hunts. They're bold enough to take down prey 10 times their size, like deer and wild boar. But here's the twist. They're endangered and vanishing fast. So now you know, the Dhole isn't just rare, it's unforgettable.